In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Read AI on Google Meet in 2025. This powerful tool enhances your online meeting experience by providing automated services like meeting summaries, transcriptions, and action items. Let's dive into how you can integrate and utilize Read AI with Google Meet this year. First, you'll want to download the Read AI extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Read AI for Gmail and meeting summaries. Once you've found it, simply click on the install button and the extension will be added to your browser. This step is crucial as it installs all the necessary components to make your meetings more efficient and actionable. Now that you have the extension installed, the next step is setting up your account. You'll see an option to sign in or create a new Read AI account. This lets you personalize your settings and ensure that your experience is tailored to your needs. Don't worry, the setup process is straightforward and quick, guiding you through every step. After installing the extension and setting up your account, you're ready to integrate Read AI into your meetings. When scheduling a Google Meet, you'll notice that Read AI can be added alongside your event. It doesn't require any additional setup once it's linked to your calendar. This simple integration step will allow Read AI to streamline your meeting processes seamlessly. One of the key features of Read AI is automatic joining. Once you've configured it, Read AI will join your scheduled Google Meet sessions automatically. This means less hassle for you as the organizer and participants. It's like having an intelligent assistant making sure you're prepared to focus on what truly matters during the meeting. With Red AI active in your meeting, you can tap into a variety of features designed to improve productivity and efficiency. One such feature is real-time transcriptions. As the meeting progresses, Read AI will capture spoken words and convert them into text, allowing you and others to read along. This feature is especially useful for those who prefer or require visual cues to support their hearing. Another great benefit of using Read AI is the meeting summaries you receive at the conclusion of your meeting. These summaries are concise, yet they do an excellent job of highlighting the key points and action items. Instead of scrambling to remember every detail, you'll have a clear summarized document to refer back to. Additionally, Read AI provides collaborative notes. This feature allows you to share and edit meeting notes with other participants in real time. It's a fantastic way of ensuring everyone is aligned and on the same page, reducing the chance of miscommunication or oversight. That wraps up our walkthrough on how to use Read AI with Google Meet in 2025. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance the way you conduct meetings, making them more organized and efficient. Happy meeting!